Okay, I made this slow cooker crock pot beef shoulder, chuck shoulder meat stew in the crock pot. I have this recipe on my Ella Dishes It Out channel. So you can go there and find the recipe. Look at that meat. It's so tender. It is just falling apart. That's how tender it is. And I let this cook all day on slow, all day. And this is how it turned out. I'm just trying to break it up right now so that I can serve it later. I'm gonna serve it later with some beans, some frozen I cooked some frozen field peas with snaps and some cornbread. And that is delicious. Look at those carrots and potatoes in there. That looks so good. All right, can't wait to chow down. Thank you guys for tuning in again to my channel, Ella Dishes It Out. Bon appetit.